Jackie boy, what are we doing today?
Hunting.
Where are we hunting?
Down at Creek.
Say we're up in Porcupine Creek, and what are we hunting for?
Elk.
And how close do we need to get? We're gonna get that close to one? All right. Jack, have we seen anything yet?
No.
It's Jack and Dada, November 15th, 2009, and we're going out for the first elk hunt. Right, Jack?
Right.
How big of elk do we hope to get? Oh, that's going to be a big one. And what do we do if we get an elk? They're not quite sure yet, but we're going to go out and have a good time. How do we find an elk? Use our binoculars, right? We look around, but I don't think the elk have anything to worry about today. Wish us luck. Jack, do you see anything? No. Okay. We gotta keep going. What did you see, Jack? Okay, good job. You're a good tracker. Jack, this must be your coyote track. Is that the coyote track? Okay, good. Okay, Jack, up here's a really good spot to see an elk. Let's go see if we can find one. I don't know, but we'll have to sneak up on it, right? Okay, let's go do it. Hey Jack, have we seen any elk yet? Not yet. Are you still looking around? Yeah. Did you see anything in your binoculars? Nothing yet, huh? Good job, buddy. Well, wish us luck next time. I didn't think those elk had anything to worry about. Give it some gas, Jack.